what it is. And then it's like a mystery box, like an OMG dolls box surprise. I know that one. That's a really fun one. Whoa, it's already open. Look, it's the charger. So now let's move on to the next one. Whoa, let's see what this is. Oh, you vacuum it like this. Should I show you? But of course there's a long thing that you hold on it. I'm really far of it. Let's see what it is. I don't know what this is, but let's put it over there. And the last thing up here, bye-bye. Mommy, Daddy, where are you? I need you. I can't see you, but I hear you. Mommy, Daddy. So friends, I have called them and they didn't come. So later I'm gonna call them again at the end of this video. But for now, I'm gonna show you it. Look, this is something. It has a little baggie in here with some things that you put it in. Look for that here. And now the last one. First, least we got a card. It says thank you, and I think I see a logo. Ultenic. Yes, it's the U from Ultenic. Okay, let me put it right. So we have opened the mystery box. I'm just joking. We have opened all of the boxes and we have got everything out except these are papers and there's something else. No, so bye-bye. And there is nothing in it, so don't worry. I throw everything in all videos except the things that we get, only the boxes and the papers. So now look at these. Now I remember that I said I don't know what these are. These are where you do it. So this is normal. You know this part, so I won't say you all have to know this one. You do this, and yeah, it's pretty normal. But this one, have you seen ever this one? So this is the normal one. You do this, and privilege is normal, so you have to know it, right? Every people should have this, maybe in their house, in their vacuums. So, but have you ever seen this kind? It has this, and it's smaller, and you also do this, but here it is. See? But this one doesn't do that. See, this one rolls. So, and have you seen this one? I think you haven't. So this is for your curtains, if your curtains is dirty, or your couches. We have bench here, so I can show you it. So you previously do this, and then all dirt comes out. So if you vacuum it right here, anything can do it. And here's a curtain, and you do this. So I have a drill. Just kidding. It's not a drill. It's a you have to put it on here, something like that. If you want to see it, we'll do it like this or something else. It's for this to it vacuums. You vacuum it, and all the dirt of the pipe comes here and here, and last time and here. And this came in it. It fell down. It's okay. I will show you it, but I have to put it also back. Do you see it? This goes right over here. Thank you. Go and follow them and go and buy these Ultenic vacuum cleaners. There's all sorts of different vacuums. Bye, I'm gonna go on my next unboxing now. So, before the video ends, I have ended the video, but I'm back in the video. I have done something wrong. It's here you have to do it, and that's there. Sorry about that. And I didn't know what this is, but whoa, look, this is the batteries. Wow! So look, should I put it on?